Hi there and welcome to this mobile journalism tutorial from DW Akademie. I am going to show you how you transform your mobile phone into a professional broadcast studio. To get better results, you can use mobile journalism equipment like a selfie stick, a shoulder pod, or a tripod to stabilize your smartphone. While the tripod is very stable and probably the best option if you're shooting an interview, the shoulder pod gives you more flexibility to move while shooting. This flexible tripod is also called an octopus tripod, and that's because you can move the arms and the legs, just like a real octopus. And the nice thing about it is you can fix it on almost any object. Ta-da! There are, of course, gadgets to help you achieve better sound quality because good sound is key to a good video. The so-called pin mic or Lav Microphone is the ideal choice when it comes to interviews. It is close to the protagonist and barely visible in the video. A handheld microphone would be your best choice if you're doing a piece to camera and you want the logo of your media house to be seen. And as always, when it comes to recording audio, don't forget to monitor the sound using your headphones. There are also some other very useful items you should consider bringing along, such as a power bank and ideally some external lights. So, I guess it's time we give it a try now. Let's turn your phone into a portable studio.